I ain't playing with you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You a walking trophy. Girl, you a walking trophy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to come watch my video. So today's look is more of a glam bronzy look with a glossy lip. So if you want to see how I got this look, definitely keep on watching. I'm starting with a fresh face. I've used my Aveeno face scrub, and then I did my Clinique creams, and I used a little bit of my Laneige lip balm. This is amazing. If you guys can get your hands on it, definitely do. I love how it smells. But my eyebrows are done and we look crazy. So now let's move into the eyes. So I have the Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette, and I've used this before on this channel. That's what the colors look like. And then in one of my Boxy Charms, we received the, what is this called? The Pure Festival palette. Has something like this. Today I'm going for more of a bronzy look, and then I have the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I love this palette. It smells amazing. You can obviously tell I love this palette and which one is my favorite color. It's this one right here, which I'm pretty sure it's like salted caramel. So I'm gonna go in with Epic first. So I'm gonna show you guys this color right here. And don't mind my palette, guys. My toddlers got a hold of it. Oh my god. Yeah, they got a hold of my palette, and it's a little messed up, but you know, she still works. And then I'm using the MAC 275. It looks like this. Any brush that's similar to this, or any big fluffy blending brush, will work. So just take what you have. So I'm going to take that salted caramel color and just put that all over my lid. Alright, so far that's what it looks like. I took this color right here, salted caramel, from the Too Faced palette. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a smaller shading brush, and then I'm going to be using the MAC 214 with a darker color, and I'm just going to deepen the outer corner so that when I do add that bronzy color we're going for, it won't look like out of place. Real Gar and Red Ochre, I'm going to mix those two colors and I'm going to put those on my outer corner. And start with a little bit and blend your way up, because you can always add more, but you can never take it away. Okay, so now that you have the desired amount on your eyelids, you can gently start blending that up, and then take your blending brush with the lightest color of the browns that you put on your crease and just start blending those colors together. So once you've got that blended to the amount that you wanted to, go ahead and put a bronzy color on your eyelid, on the inner part. And I'm debating between these two right here. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not even gonna try because I know I'm gonna butcher it. But I'm probably gonna use both of these colors. I'm gonna put this one on the outer corner and this one on the inner corner, and then blend them together. When you put eyeshadows with your finger or with a wet brush, it makes them more vibrant. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to take those two colors with my fingers. So that's what it looks like so far. These two colors are the ones I put on the eyelid. So this is on the inner corner part and this is on the outer corner of my lid. And then I just blended those two together, got a gradient effect. So then I just took my blending brush and I took Epic, which was the lightest of them all, this one right here, and I just blended that out so that there wouldn't be any harsh edges. since I messed up and didn't put those little tapes that I've showed you guys before, the elf tapes, since I didn't use these, I forgot. You can always take a baby wipe and just clean that up. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this primer by itself, and then we'll see how that makes my foundation look. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty foundation. It is in the color 260. So just shake that up before you use it. I'm gonna put 2 pumps on my hand and just dot it all over my face. If you haven't tried this foundation, I recommend it. It's really beautiful on the skin. You can always go in and add more primer, more foundation if you need to. What I've noticed is I use it with a beauty blender, more of a pat and drag motion, because I noticed that if I didn't, it would just sit on top of my skin and it would cling to my dry patches. So if you have dry skin, you want to use this foundation, you definitely can, but you want to drag. You want to pat and drag. You don't want to just pat the foundation on with a beauty blender. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. This is in the shade Light Natural in 125. And I'm just going to make like an upside down triangle. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Physicians Formula bronzer in the shade Bronzer. I'm going to take my normal MAC 198 brush. It just looks like this. Then I'm going to take my blush. I'm going to be using the Pinch Oh Peach blush by MAC. Oh, it looks like this. Beautiful color, guys. I don't know if you can see. I smile and I put it on my apples, the apples of my cheeks. So I'm going to go ahead and bake the under eye. And then I'm going to also bake underneath my bronzer, and that'll help give the illusion of a cleaner, a more crisp bronzer. So it's just excess powder under your bronzer, and then you can just go ahead and wipe it off. I wipe it off pretty soon. Some people leave it on longer, but I don't like to leave it on too long because I have dry skin. I'm gonna take burnt orange, and I'm gonna also add a little bit of that red ochre color, this cream color right here, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. That'll help open up the eyes. You are done with the eyes. All you really have to do at this point is add your mascara and your lashes if you want to. Personally, I'm not gonna wear eyelashes today. All right, guys, so if you mess up like me and you get some mascara on your eyelid, don't worry about it. Let it dry. Don't touch it. You'll regret it. Don't touch it. So we've done everything except the bottom lash line and highlight and lips. So let's go ahead and do all of that, and then we'll come back and we'll wipe off that mascara. So what I'm gonna do is use 2 highlights today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Artist Couture highlight in Summer Haze. I got this highlight in a BoxyCharm. But before I do that, I'm going to spray my whole face with the Tatcha Luminous Spray again. Don't let that fully dry, and then go ahead and put that highlight on. And another other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter, and I'm just going to add that on top of that one. I ended up doing 2 different lip liners. So I did the MAC Edge to Edge lip liner, and then I did the Lime Crime Angel lip liner. So this is more like a darker brown color, and this is more of a pinker color. So I combined both of those, and then I topped it off with some lip gloss. Where did I put the lip gloss? So I ended up using this Dominique Lemonade lip gloss. Now that all of this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the mascara on my eyelid. So just take a dry Q-tip and run over that. All right guys, so this is the finished look. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and checking out my video. If you like my look, definitely leave me a comment down below letting me know what your opinion was. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my social media. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.